Well, welcome back to our channel. Did you just get done changing oil in your car? In your Buick Enclave? Well, mine's 2017, but a lot of them are about the same. So if you want to click on the link above, if you want to know how to change your oil in your Enclave, you can find a recent video we made for that. But we're here to show you how to reset the indicator to let you know it's time to change your oil again. So give this video a thumbs up on your way in, and let's figure out how easy is it to reset this. How difficult you think it really is. I'm nervous. Actually, I'm not nervous. It literally only takes you 30 seconds or less. So let me show you how. So we get in your car. You turn the key on. Off to your right below your main screen, you have 4 buttons here. This one right here, it's the information button. So you just kind of keep tapping on that. And as you tap it, you go through until this button, 0% oil life remaining. So then you want to come back down here and you got the check mark button. So you want to push that button, and I'll show you what happens when you push that button. So I'm getting ready to push it, push and hold it for about 2 seconds. And then it says 100% oil life remaining. So how long did that take? Seconds. Okay, well, enough silliness. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if that was helpful for you. If you don't mind subscribing for other videos related to anything Buick Enclave, mostly is why you're here. I'm going to change out the air filter and a bunch of other things, so you don't want to miss out on those. So until the next time, have yourself, you guessed it, great day.